Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to create and verify Alipay account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to create and verify an Alipay account, first of all, you need to download the app and sign up with your mobile number or your email. Once the application is done, you will be needed to complete the real name authentication process. So this involves providing a passport or ID card and following the on-screen instructions. So once you have been signed up into your account, you need to simply go through these steps, which are very crucial for verifying your identity. So you can go in your settings and tap on accounts and security and tap on identity information and choose the verify now option. So if you are there as the person like a permanent resident, choose verify now, or if you are a foreigner, choose foreigner verification option. After doing this, you need to follow the on-screen prompts and you may need to scan your passport automatically as well. So once you have submitted your application, you need to now wait as it takes up to 24 hours, and you can also add a credit card or debit card number and use like different QR codes to pay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.